Oh my gosh, you look very nice.
Oh, thank you. You're dumb.
You're lit.
If you're rolling out cookie dough, be very careful, because if you slip, you could go face first into the cabinet and put a pretty good dent in your head like I did earlier this week. So please be careful if you're baking cookies this holiday season. I really care about all of you very much, so please don't end up how I did, injured after a cookie baking incident. Okay? So, yeah?
You okay?
No. So next housekeeping thing, I'd like to welcome our new employee, Cliff. So
What he's going to be doing for that?
Oh, he's going to be a salesperson for us. Cliff, do you have anything to say to the team here?
I mean, you are a very fun group, and so I'm 47 years old now, and so I've been hoping to feel younger. I thought I was dressing nice, but then I realized everyone has suits.
Yeah.
I did look around, I'm like, yeah, I'll definitely. I thought about wearing my sweats today, but
Did Kevin give you instructions of what to wear? I mean, you probably shouldn't follow his instructions.
Well, I was following yours, and I couldn't find a pair of pants tight enough.
I know.
So, I'm sorry, did I get fired already?
No, not yet. Ian, do I like to draw things out and make them relatively painful?
Yeah, that's what's happening right now.
Yeah, that's definitely what's happening right now. For the next year, we'll be playing the red paperclip game. You start out with a red paperclip. Everybody has the same value object, and I'm going to see who can sell better. So a paperclip, your personality, your connections, and social media. This is what you're going to have. No cash services or extra items. No trading with Abbotsford Volkswagen employees. So if the person works for Abbotsford Volkswagen, you can't trade with them. All trades have to be documented on social media using a video. And you're going to have fun and make connections. And yes, I'm participating as well, so you're going to go toe-to-toe with me. Ooh!
I wonder what would happen, right? And the only reason, thank you, the only reason
Do you guys want to know how intelligent Ian is? He's so intelligent that when he's speaking, he still needs to physically click a pen. Like the amount of cognitive load this man needs in order to stay focused is so much. He is an intelligent man. So it's props to you.
Mike, could you get that?
Thank you, everyone, for coming today. Welcome to Cliff, our new employee, and looking forward to working with you.
Thanks for having me. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
That was I don't know. That was a pretty weak ending to the meeting. I don't know. It's do you got one motivational line that you can say to really encourage everyone here, rather than a ending in a downward inflection?
You guys, we trade stuff every day. You're hiding behind your cup. You're like, I don't want to be on video.